Today we had a third edition of the drone workshop. Title is Good Vibrations. And usually when you say the word drone at FHICT, people think about helicopters, but this is actually about drone music. Drone music is a pretty old genre of music. The main characteristic is that there's sustained long tones with minimal variations, so no melody usually. It's a very easy way to make music together with other people because it doesn't require a lot of virtuosity. Every time we have sort of the same format. We bring some instruments, we provide an introduction to explain what it actually is, show some examples, and then we have a jam of 40 minutes usually. And I just participate making some sound as well because I think it's the most fun part to play together.
I found out about this drone workshop through Instagram and I was interested and I play music myself, so very open-minded. It was very informative, interesting. I feel relaxed after the ambient music we made together.
It's nice to have an opportunity to experiment like this. I think it fits the way of creativity and problem solving, which is also an important part of what students and teachers do within FHICT. It's also meant as a tool to get closer to a state of well-being. We're just offering a space in which you can be more present in the moment, more disconnected from screens.
For me it's really meditation, being in the moment and how difficult it is to interact with people in a space. Thinking a lot, trying a lot of stuff with the musical instruments, coming up with creative ideas, but it's more with yourself and I don't feel like much contact in the beginning. This is what I learned today. I'm doing too much, I'm not listening, I'm not giving other people space, I'm just controlling too much, and by that I'm taking myself out of the experience, which I see a lot of parallels also with what you do as a teacher in class. I always try to say, you should do this or this is a good idea. And then I'm making it my project and I'm taking the agency away from the student. Maybe we should let stuff happen and see if there's opportunities. And maybe something interesting can happen if you do that.